The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is shaping up to be a standout addition to Samsung's mid-range smartphone lineup, offering a range of features that promise to deliver a great user experience without breaking the bank. Let's dive into what makes this device so exciting. First up, performance. The Galaxy A36 5G is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, a processor designed to handle daily tasks and multitasking with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or switching between apps, this chipset ensures smooth and efficient performance. It's a solid choice for users who need a reliable device that can keep up with their busy lives. Next, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A36 5G is rumored to feature a 6.64-inch Super AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution. But what really stands out is the refresh rate, which is expected to be between 90 Hz and 120 Hz. This means smoother scrolling, more responsive touch input, and overall enhanced viewing experience. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just scrolling through social media, this display is designed to impress. When it comes to photography, the Galaxy A36 5G doesn't disappoint. It's rumored to include a 50-megapixel main camera, which should allow users to capture detailed and high-quality images. While the specifics of the additional sensors haven't been fully revealed, it's safe to assume that Samsung will include a versatile setup to cater to various photography needs, from wide-angle shots to close-up macros. This makes the A36 5G a great option for anyone who loves to capture or likes moments in stunning detail. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy A36 5G shines. The device is expected to come equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring that you can go through your day without constantly worrying about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, 25-watt fast charging support means you'll be back up and running in no time. It's a combination that offers both longevity and convenience. Design-wise, the Galaxy A36 5G stays true to the series signature style. It features a modernized camera module and a sleek, ergonomic design with a slim profile of just 7.4 millimeters thickness. This not only makes the device look good, but also ensures it feels comfortable in your hand. Samsung has clearly put thought into balancing aesthetics and practicality, making the A36 5G a device you'll be proud to show off. Now let's shift gears and talk about its sibling, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This upcoming mid-range smartphone takes things up a notch, combining premium features with affordability. Here are its top 5 standout features. First, the display. The Galaxy A56 5G boasts a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means vibrant colors, deep contrast, and buttery smooth visuals, whether you're scrolling through your feed or playing your favorite games. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 processor, built on a Form architecture. This chipset is designed to deliver efficient performance, making multitasking and running demanding applications a breeze. It's a step up for users who need a bit more power from their mid-range device. The camera system on the Galaxy A56 5G is another highlight. It features a triple rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. This versatile setup allows you to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups with ease. Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.